What it do, YouTube? First ever video. First day of 2025. We live. We here. Happy 2025, man. Let's go. But no, so it's been a lot going on in 2024, man. It's a lot to look back on as far as, if you're into crypto, if you're into Forex. A lot happened. We got ETFs at the beginning of the year. We got a lot of regulation stuff. We got the Gear Against the Wars. We got a whole bunch of stuff that transpired, man. We got meme coins that blew up. We got Giga Chad, all this other stuff. And it's been pretty exciting, especially the way to end 2024 with Photon and, a lot of speculation going on. So I wanted to make a video on one of the main things that happened in 2024, and that was when the CFTC put down Forex. There's been no Americans that were able to do challenges anymore or find different brokers that would let American clients sign up. And with that, I wanted to give another alternative. If you were looking to learn how to trade Forex, or just now start how to learn how to trade Forex, or been trading Forex and looking for a new broker and you haven't been able to trade, you've been stuck in the meme coins and, not really been having too many vehicles, invest your money, man, can't put all your eggs in one basket, man. So it's time to mix it up. So if you've been thinking about trying to look for some new, a new broker, they won't be regulated. I will throw that out there. They will not be regulated, but it's an option. All about giving options. So the one that I would prefer is 24K markets. Now, they have been super easy to sign up with, no KYC, same day sign up. They even got their own trade platform. It's called Trade Locker. You can trade directly from the platform. I highly advise you guys to go check it out. Let's see if we can pull up the trading platform real quick. Let's go. Look up Trade Locker. So here it is, man. Start trading. It's very simple. It's very cool. It kind of looked like TradingView. If you ever used TradingView before, it's very similar. You can put in confirm bets. There's an option for you to confirm button, or to just have one-click trading, whichever it is, whichever you want to do. It's very simple. There's a app and there's a browser version. It looks very similar to TradingView. That's why I prefer it. Something I'm familiar with. So you guys go check it out. And so yeah, check it out. 24K Markets. And their app is called Trade Locker. So definitely check it out. I think Q Banks made Trade Locker. I don't know if you guys know who Q Banks is, but I think this might be his platform. Don't quote me on that. Not too sure. Just giving options, like I said before. So yeah, man, that's all. That's all I really got. Be on the lookout for live trading coming up in 2025. Be on the lookout for that. I'm definitely gonna start, being more of a service, and it's not all about the money, man. If you could, each one teach one, man. I know it's a lot of people that want to learn how to trade and trying to find new ways to make money in these times that we in, man. So it's always best to give more than one skill. I'm real keen on not settling on just one thing. So be on the lookout. Like I said, 2025 live trading on Forex, live setups. Later on down the line, who knows? I'll probably end up starting a Discord or something, man. But I just want to go through the progress. I'm not starting with a lot of money. I'm just showing people that it's possible, and anybody can do it. It's simple, man. If you're doing sports betting, you might as well get on Forex too, man. Ain't no sense of just holding on to one, man. You dig? And on that note, we out of here. Make sure to like and subscribe. Like I said, more on the way, man. We out of here. We gone. Boom.